Hello, today I'm showcasing my website designed to emulate various Google search functionalities. Here are the three main pages: the Google search page, the Google image search page, and the Google advanced search page. Note the links in the upper right corner for easy navigation. On the Google search page, you can type a query, and by clicking Google search, it redirects to Google's search results for that query. Next, let's look at the I'm Feeling Lucky feature on our main Google search page. This button is designed to mimic the functionality of Google's own I'm Feeling Lucky feature. When you enter a search term and click this button, it bypasses the typical list of search results. Instead, it directly takes you to the first search result for your query. This is a great shortcut for when you feel confident that the first result will be exactly what you're looking for. Now, let's explore the image search feature of our website. This functionality is specifically designed to provide a user-friendly and efficient way to search for images. When you navigate to the image search page, you'll see a simple and intuitive interface. Here, you can enter any keyword or phrase into the search bar. After entering your search term, simply click on the search button. This action initiates a query that connects to Google's image search, leveraging their extensive database to find relevant images. Let's delve into the advanced search functionality. This feature is tailored for users who require more precise search results. Unlike the basic search, here you can refine your search using specific parameters. The interface offers 4 key fields inspired by Google's own advanced search options. The first field allows you to search for pages containing all these words. This is useful when you want to find content that includes multiple specific terms. The second field, this exact word or phrase, is perfect for locating pages with an exact match, which is particularly useful for quotes or specific terminologies. Then we have the Any of these words field. This broadens your search, giving you results that include any of your listed terms, providing a wider range of information. Lastly, the None of these words field excludes certain terms from your search, helping to filter out irrelevant results. Each field is clearly laid out, left aligned for easy reading and input. The Advanced Search button, styled in blue with white text, is reminiscent of Google's design, maintaining a familiar and user-friendly interface. Now, let's talk about the aesthetics and CSS of our website, which have been meticulously crafted to mirror Google's own design language. The goal was to create a user experience that feels familiar and intuitive for anyone who has used Google's services. First, notice the color scheme. I have utilized a similar palette to Google's, predominantly using clean white backgrounds with accents of blue, gray, and the occasional pops of color for buttons and links. This not only creates a visually appealing interface, but also enhances readability and user focus. The typography is another area where we closely followed Google's style. I chose fonts that are similar to those Google uses, ensuring that text is easy to read and looks professional. The layout of the pages, with ample white space and strategically placed elements, contributes to an uncluttered and user-friendly interface. In terms of the search bar, I have replicated the iconic rounded corners and centered placement that Google is known for. This is not just about aesthetics. It's about maintaining a sense of familiarity for users, allowing them to intuitively know how to interact with the website.